Hi there, my name is Jeannie and I am a professional wildlife photographer from Montreal, Canada. Thank you for joining me today for this new video where I will be talking to you about a brand new smart bird feeder with camera from the company OnlyFly. So OnlyFly is a company that is specializing in high quality smart bird feeder with camera. A small disclosure here, OnlyFly did send me this product to review, but this video is not sponsored and everything you will hear in it is my own opinion. So I would like to apologize for the heavy rain sound that you will hear in this video. I hope it doesn't bother you too much. Okay, so this is the box in which the bird feeder comes in. Let me read you a few of the specs that are written on it. So the smart bird feeder is equipped with a full HD 2K camera. It has real-time notification. It can auto-identify 10,000 plus bird species. It has a squirrel repellent function. And it has a bird coming history. It has full color night vision, a 160-degree wide angle view. It can contain up to 1.8 liters of bird seeds. It supports a memory card. It has a two-way audio. It is IP65 weatherproof. It has live video function and it has motion detection. So now let me open this box and see what's in there. So this is the main body of the bird feeder. We have the nice black camera mounted in the middle of it right here. So the bird feeder comes with an antenna that you just screw right behind here. So we have a nice rigid plastic mounting bracket. It seems to be really well made and solid. So here we have the beautiful roof with two separate integrated solar panels, as you can see. One here and one here. So in this box we have all the tools and hardwares that you need to mount your bird feeder. You have these metal straps if you would like to put your bird feeder on a pole. You have a solid black nylon strap if you would like to attach your bird feeder to a tree. And you even have a USB-C cable. So this particular model of bird feeder comes with a hummingbird feeding station. Let me open the box and show you what's in there. So this is a very nice and colorful hummingbird station. So the hummingbird station seems to be very easy to mount on the bird feeder. I think that we just have to clip these two pieces in front of the bird feeder. So the hummingbird feeder comes with additional yellow flowers, 4 of them, if ever you lose any of the red ones or if you would like just to use different colors. So removing the lid is very easy. You just have 4 little latches that you have to pry open. And then you have access to your hummingbird feeder container. This is where you're gonna put your hummingbird nectar. Okay, so now that we have seen everything that is in the box, I will go set up my bird feeder and show you how it looks like. So in addition to the smart bird feeder, OnlyFly sent me a 104 inches tall bird feeder pole with a squirrel baffle included. After assembling my bird feeder with its accessories, I have mounted the bird feeder on this amazing 104-inch tall bird feeder pole. The result is really spectacular with the height that it has, and I can tell you that the build quality of this bird feeder pole is absolutely amazing. It is very solid, well built, and very sturdy. I really appreciate the fact that the 5 pieces that are going in the ground to hold the pole are extremely sturdy and they did not bend at all while I put them in the ground. This bird feeder pole was very easy to assemble together. I just had to follow a few quick instructions and everything was in place. This bird feeder pole is also equipped with 2 semicircular hooks. You can use them to mount more bird feeders, or they are also used by birds as perch. So I've had my bird feeder with my pole installed for a few days, and I can tell you that the squirrel baffle is really effective. No squirrel were able to climb on this pole, and like this, all my birds are in peace eating their seeds.